How to pin a post on your Thread application. Hello everyone, welcome back in this video. In today's video I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your Threads application like this. As you see, this is your home page. Right now I will just come here and I will write, for example, my post. I will click post like this, and right now it's posting. As you see, I will come here now to my profile, and what's next, I wanna to pin it. As you see, when I click here, I don't found like pin. As you see, I found just this three option, and there is like another option here. So what's next, guys? Right now you have to go to your Play Store and you have to search for Thread application. You have to update it on the last version. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.